In the given problem, we are having the set A and set B. Here, A and B are in the set builder form. Now we have to prove that A union B minus A intersection B. It is equal to A minus B union B minus A. Okay. Now here, I am writing the set A. So here, set A equals to x such that x equals to 2n plus 1, where n belongs to natural and n will be less than or equal to 5. Okay. Now we are writing the x value, and if I take n value as 1, okay, therefore x equals to 2 1 ja 1 plus 1. Okay. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. If n value 2, x will be 2 2 ja plus 1. So 4 plus 1. If I take n value 3, x will be 2 into 3 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. N value 4, x will be 2 into 4 plus 1. 8 plus 1, that is 9. Okay. If n value is 5, therefore 10 plus 1, it will be equals to 11. Therefore, set A will be 3, number 5, 7, 9, 11. So what is the set B there? Set B will be a composite number. Set B is a composite number, okay, up to 12. So composite will be 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12. Okay. Here we have to prove that A union B minus A intersection B equals to A minus B union B minus A. It is the formula of the symmetric difference. Now I am taking the left hand side. A union B minus A intersection B. So first we have to find what is the A union B. Here, what is A? Number 3. So 5, 7, 9, 11. Union, what is the B? So 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Union means it is the set which is having every element of A and B. ఏలో బీలో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ రావాలి. ఓకే. సో వితౌట్ ఎనీ రిపిటేషన్. ఓకే. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. సో 4, 6, 8, 9 is already covered, 10 and 12. Okay. So it is the A union B. Now coming to the A intersection B. So I am writing what is A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Here we have to write the common elements of both A and B. A లో B లో కామన్గా ఉన్నవి. So what is the common there? So 3. So we don't have 3 here. So number 5, no. 7, no. 9. So only one element, it is common in both of A and B. Okay. So A లో B లో కామన్గా ఉన్నది ఒకటే ఉంది, అది 9. Now A union B minus A intersection B. Now what is the A union B? 3, number 5, 7, 9, 11, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 minus, okay, element 9. So we have to eliminate. So what is the common of A union B and A intersection B? So common here 9 na? So I am eliminating this one. So remaining will be 3, so 5, 7, 11, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. We got the left hand side. Now what is the right hand side? A minus B union B minus A. Here we have to find the A minus B. Now what is A? Set A will be, so 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 minus B will be composite numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. So A minus B. So A minus B. So it is the set which is having elements which are belonging to only set A. Aలో మాత్రమే ఉండాలి, అవి Bలో ఉండకూడదు. సో ఎనీథింగ్ కామన్ ఇన్ A అండ్ B, ఇక్కడ చూడండి 9 is in the set A, also in set B. So we have to eliminate 9. Okay. So 3, so 5, 7, 11. So these are the elements which are only in A. ఓకే, ఏలో మాత్రమే ఉండాలి, బీలో ఉండొద్దు అనమాట. ఓకే, సో బీలో ఉండేవి మనం క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, నౌ సిమిలర్లీ బి మైనస్ ఏ. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద సెట్ బి? సెట్ బి విల్ బి 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 minus set A 3, so 5, 7, 9, 11. So B minus A is a set which is having the elements which are belonging to only set B. Bలో మాత్రమే ఉండాలి. ఓకే, Bలో Aలో కామన్గా ఉండద్దు. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ 9 ఉంది కదా, ఈ 9 Bలో ఉంది, Aలో ఉంది. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఎలిమినేట్ ఇట్. ఓకే, నౌ what are the elements there? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now we have to group A minus B, okay, union B minus A. So we have to group na. So A minus B and B minus A, ఈ రెండిట్లో ఉండే ఈ అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఓకే, సో we have to group, so 3, 5, 7, 11 and also 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, okay, within the same set. So 3, so 5, 7, 11 comma 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so we will get the same elements. Okay, so here, so these are the elements in the LHS. Okay, 3, so we are having number 3, 3, so 5, 5, 7, 7, 11, 11, so 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so we are having the left hand side and right hand side, both are equal. So A union B minus A intersection B equals to A minus B union B minus A. Hence proved.